As spring has come, the farmers in Jingmai Mountain once again threw themselves into the busy tea plucking work. Today, we are here at Jingmai Mountain's Spring Tea Harvest Festival to see how the local people start one of their most important activities in a year. Let's go find out.
告诉逝去的老人，有新茶叶可以喝了。然后感谢我们的祖先留下的这个茶树，供我们吃穿住食这样的。
我们那个寨子，包括我们的合作社发展就比较迅猛，因为我们做合作社了，第一有量的茶叶，第二技术各方面它都很完善，所以说有很多愿意来跟我们合作，老百姓从那时候就天翻地覆了。